Good Tuesday evening. Time to take a look here at your weather webcast on this Tuesday. And I'll tell you what, we had some great weather out there today. And as we take a look here at what's ahead, that's right, more warmer weather. We're happy to be able to provide that for you coming up over the next several days. So get ready for it, as these are going to be high temperatures coming up for you on your Wednesday. Looks like we're going to be making up into the mid to upper 70s, 77 Cohutta, 79 Calhoun, and 77 degrees in Chatsworth. Take a look at these highs today, and you can see on our map here the way that the jet stream is currently going here. We got this dip in the west, and it lifts up into the upper Midwest here and then dives back down into the east, and that's basically our storm pattern. We have a storm in the east, and then we have a storm on the west coast, and right here in the middle is this big bubble of warmer air, and this big bubble of warmer air is going to be shifting east slowly as we go throughout the rest of the week. And by the end of the week, we'll be arriving here, bringing us, again, some much warmer weather. So get ready to look forward to that. Here's our radar picture. Right now, it's pretty much on the dry side. Nothing really going on out there right now. But we do want to remind you, you can always check out our Zoom radar, which is under the Weather in Your Neighborhood tab at WDNTV.com. And if we do have any showers or storms on there, you can zoom right on down into your neighborhood and track those. Also, our Zoomcast radar also shows different temperatures and things on there, so you can get current conditions, including current temperatures and things like that as well, located different neighborhoods across the area. So a very neat tool we have there, and we want to remind you to check that out as well. All right, back to the weather forecast here. We want to update you on a red flag warning that is in effect, and this will be in effect throughout your daytime hours on Wednesday as well. And they issue these red flag warnings because we have such dry air in place, low humidities out there, and when you have that along with a light wind, it's great fire conditions. So if a fire does get started there, it can easily spread pretty quickly. So we do have a red flag warning in effect for your Wednesday. So if you're going to be outside doing any outside burning, keep that in mind as well. Here's our big storm system here. This brought all the severe weather Sunday to Georgia. It's now moving on out towards the north and east on the east coast there, bringing flooding rains along the northeast coast there. Areas in Rhode Island, around Rhode Island, and also in Massachusetts have seen anywhere from 9 to 10 inches of rain. Plenty of flooding going on there, evacuations taking place there with that big storm system. But again, look back to the west, all nice weather out here, and that's what we're going to be looking forward to over the next several days. So this big bubble of warm air that we have developing out here towards the west here is going to, again, slowly be shifting on off towards the east. So as we go throughout your Wednesday morning, we'll be watching this warm bubble of air as it slowly pushes first over into places like Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. And we're going to get warm tomorrow, don't get me wrong. We'll be into the upper 70s again tomorrow, but again, by Thursday morning, that bubble really expands, and by Thursday afternoon, we're going to be into the low 80s, and we could be in the low to mid 80s, believe it or not, coming up for us by Friday. But for tonight, clear skies, a frosty start out there for you tomorrow morning, 36 degrees here in the city with calm winds out there, and then your forecast for you when you wake up tomorrow morning, looks like we're going to be seeing jacket weather, so you're going to want to take a light jacket off, especially for the kids at the bus stop or going off to work tomorrow morning, but mainly sunny. Temperatures 33 to 38 degrees out there with calm winds. And then here's a look here at your extended outlook, your 7-day forecast showing us here plenty of sunshine coming in Thursday, 80 degrees, 83 to 85 degrees on Friday. We cool down a little bit on Saturday with a few more clouds. Now late Saturday into very early Sunday morning, or mainly just Saturday night, we could see a slight chance of a few showers in the area. It does not look like a big deal in a major rain event, but we could see just a few showers into the area. So hopefully that'll be out of here by Easter Sunday there. As for those sunrise services, most of that should be out of the area. But right now, Good Friday looks good, and for most of Easter Sunday, I think will be pretty good as well. And we stay looking pretty nice and comfortable even as we head towards next week as well. So some great weather to look forward to over the next several days. That's a look at your weather webcast for you on this Tuesday evening. Stay with us. Have a great evening. We'll see you back here tomorrow.